question asked in GATE 2014 in 2 marks. Let's see what it is saying and what it is asking from you. Let the size of congestion window of a TCP connection be 32 kb. Okay, when a timeout occurs, okay, the round trip time of the connection is 100 millisecond and the maximum segment size used is this is 1 MSS value. Maximum segment size is what? 2 kb. What? 2 kb. Okay, the time taken in millisecond by the TCP connection to get back to 32 kb congestion window is, okay, to get back 32 kb congestion window is, so it is saying what? It is saying this timeout occurs at 32 kb. Timeout occurs as 32 kb. So you can consider it like this. You can consider it like this. In congestion control policies, okay, in congestion control policies, first policy was slow start policy. In slow start policy, we send the segments in MSS form. Okay, so in 1 MSS, and when we will get the acknowledgement for that MSS, then we will do what? We will double the sender window size. Okay, so first what we will send? 1 MSS. So what is the size of 1 MSS? 2 kb. So when you will get ACK, then you will complete one round trip time. This is what RTT. This is what RTT. So when RTT is completed, okay, and this will take how many? 100 milliseconds. So sender window size will double. Okay, 2 MSS. 2 MSS means nothing but is what? 4 kb, right? When you will get, then what? Then how many MSS? It will double window size. 4 MSS means what? 8 kb. Okay, you will receive a ACK, then how much? 16 MSS. Okay, 16 MSS. Okay, then you will get what? ACK, then how much? 8 MSS. Okay, 8 MSS means what? 16 kb you are sending. Here you will send how much? 16 MSS means how much? 32 kb, and it is saying what? Timeout occurs here, means there is a threshold. There is a threshold on 16 kb. There is a threshold on 16 kb. So you can say like this: in first you will send 2 kb, second 4 kb, 8 kb, then every times you will double the window size, sender window size, then 16 kb, then 32 kb. Then when you are sending 32 kb, then timeout will occur. Okay, here timeout will occur, means there is a threshold on 16 kb. So when timeout occurs, then we will divide the sender window size by 2. So here when we will divide it, then what we will get? 16 kb, means on 16 kb we are getting threshold. Then when we will get threshold, then we will need to forward by in additive increasing policy. Okay, so we will add every time 1 MSS. Okay, so after 16, when we will add 1 MSS here, then what we will send? 18 kb, then again 20 kb, then again 22 kb, then again what? 24 kb, then again what? 26 kb, then what? 28 kb, then what? 30 kb, then what? 32 kb. Okay, so how many round trips you needed? And the time of one round trip is how much? 100 milliseconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. 11 and 12. Okay, so 12 round trip you needed, and the time for the one round trip is 100 milliseconds given in the question. Then 12 into 100, how much time you needed? 1200 millisecond. How much? 1200 millisecond. How much? 1200 millisecond. Right? Good question. So this is all about the solution. Okay. Okay, so how much you are getting? 1200 milliseconds. Threshold is occurring at 16 kb. Okay, so after 16 kb we will increase the sender window size in additive manner, means we will add every time 1 MSS. Okay, so after 16 When we will add 2 kb, then 18 kb, then 20 kb, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30 and 32. So how many round trip time we needed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, how many? 12. So we will get what? 1200 millisecond. Okay. Thank you.
If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.